Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. We've managed to survive through Sunday morning. It's 84 degrees out here, which is kind of warm, but there's a good breeze, and I want to get this high work done before it gets hot. I got 6 bolts to put in that crack on the west side of the building, and we'll get that going. Then, once I get that done, I've got almost enough room to bring the truck in here. This pile of crap over there is going to stay. I'm going to try and move this stuff over that way and just kind of glom up that side of the workshop so I have room to get back the truck in here, get the box off, and then I can change the fuel pump. I don't have to take the box completely off. I just have to lift it up enough to get in there and be able to reach the fuel pump and hopefully get that out. Been watching a lot of videos on them, and it's been pretty much a given that it's going to be rusted out on the top, and hopefully I'll be able to get that taken care of. At least I'd like to get the truck in here today. If I get the truck in here today, I think I'm doing good. 3 or 4 hours out here in a day's time is about all I can manage. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.